Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Wonder to do a full cabin tour of a Category 5C Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with veranda. This room does sleep up to 3 adults and has a good amount of space for everyone.
And as you'll see, there is a nice veranda here on this room. I love the split bathrooms that they have in these veranda rooms, as well as all the extra space you have in here compared to those inside staterooms.
Let's go check it out.
So as soon as you come into the room here, over on the right, we have our closet area. Here you've got room for your hanging clothes, of course. You have some life jackets. You also have storage space for your luggage right down there. And then on the other half of the closet here is where you're going to find your in-room safe. And you also have a bag if you'd like to send out laundry for service. And of course, there's additional hanging space over here as well. And then just past the closets, we have a picture on the wall of Walt and Lillian on a cruise ship back in 1934. We've got some glasses for water there on this countertop. And then our drawers here are a pretty decent size. You've got some storage there with those. Some of them are shallow, some of them are a little bit deeper, but you've got some storage space here with those. And then over across from the closets, we have our bathrooms. This is a split bathroom layout here in this room. So the first half of the bathroom is where you're gonna find your toilet. And you also have some storage over there in the corner built into the wall. And on this wall, we have a single vanity that has some liquid hand soap, as well as the shelf right there on the mirror. And then down below the sink, you have a little bit of storage space on that shelf. There's also a hair dryer here on the wall, but we have a nicer one over in the desk that we'll show you in just a minute. The other half of the bathroom is where you're gonna find your tub and shower. You can see you've got the full-size tub here in this room, and you also have the detachable shower head. And then we have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And you have the shower curtain with some little Mickey heads that you can see just in the right light there. We also have a vanity in this room as well. You've got just the one sink and some storage down below. You've got another shelf with some lotion and a makeup rag. And then you also have an outlet up there on the wall, not for hair dryers or hair straighteners, but you do have that for razors and things like that. In the room, our bed is a queen-sized bed, and this does have space underneath for luggage storage. It is raised up off the ground, so you've got that there. There's a bed runner down here with different nautical elements, including the Disney Cruise Line logo and Mickey Mouse. We have a full-length mirror up here on the wall, and then on the side of the bed, we've got a small nightstand that has a couple wall outlets right above it. You also have a lamp over here as well that has little Mickey heads cut out of the lamp, as well as showcasing the parks and cruise ships around the world. Across from the bed, we have some more storage space. We've got a couple drawers as well as a cabinet, and then a piece of artwork up there that is a sketch from Pirates of the Caribbean by Mark Davis. And then the room can be divided in half using these curtains. You can close off the other half of the room. It does a pretty good job of blocking out the light if you'd like to split the room in half. On the other side of the bed here, we do have another nightstand. This one only has one wall outlet because the phone takes up part of that space, but you do have that there in addition to the lamp. Our bed over here is actually this couch. It folds down into a twin-size bed, so you can sleep that third person here in this room. Up above the bed, we have some artwork of Disney's Castaway Cay down in the Bahamas. Some of the different things you can do there on Castaway Cay, including Goofy over there in the water snorkeling. And then across from the couch here, we have our desk area. Over here across from the couch, we have our desk area. This is where we have our TV. There's also some storage up above the TV. Down below there is where you're gonna find your mini fridge. And it's not a huge mini fridge, but it's a decent size. You can store a few drinks in there, maybe a few snacks as well. And then the drawer right here next to the mini fridge is where you're gonna find that other hair dryer that I mentioned. That actually plugs up right here on the desk. There's a 220 outlet over there on the right for that. You also have a few other wall outlets there, as well as some USB outlets. You've got lights on each side of the mirror here, and those have those same little Mickey head cutouts as the lights that are on the bedside there. And then you have a little stool down here with a couple other drawers for storage there. Then you have your veranda here, which of course is the main feature of this room category. If we go out here, you can see we've got a couple chairs as well as a small table. We've got the plexiglass veranda, so you've got a view no matter where you are, sitting down or standing up out here on the balcony. And you do have these partitions over on the left and right. They can open those up for you if you'd like to have connecting verandas to the room next door. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 5C Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with veranda here on the Disney Wonder.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions. We're happy to answer those.
And make sure you hit that subscribe button while you're down there. You can find tons of other room tours on all the Disney Cruise Line ships on our channel, as well as room tours at the Walt Disney World resorts and other Disney destinations around the world. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.